Hello everyone, welcome here. In this section, you are going to learn Excel basics. So how to use, how to start and relevant to the work area, how you can create Excel documents with easily by following these instructions from this section you will be known. And here Excel overview. So what is Excel? All the questions we will try to get with the help of Google first, and I'm just trying to getting Microsoft Excel. Yes, the first link you may observe here, download Excel or buy spreadsheet software. Yes, Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet developed by Microsoft for Windows, Mac OS, Android, iOS and iPad OS operating systems. This features calculation and computation of capabilities, graphic tools, pivot tables, macro programming, which is a programming language we can use to apply Visual Basic for applications for automations. Excel forms part of the Microsoft Office 365 suite of software package. It's a one of the tool. So click here to the first link from the Microsoft Excel. See the wonders how it is created here. Yes, either desktop application or mobile app, either you can use to apply your Excel work and spreadsheet techniques. See the mobile app for Excel, App Store, Google Play, Amazon Play Store. These are all the areas this Excel app is possibly available from Microsoft. And save time with intelligence, enhance tools for experts and beginners. This Excel give you a patterns of your data, which is the data in the numbers and text can be managed easily using the spreadsheet with the graphics, templates, modernized your data with the formulas, calculations to get easily and present your data clarity. The clearly you can visualize as a charts, graphics, and understanding how to use the formatting, sparklines, tables, predicting of the trends, and work better together. Share your workbook, spreadsheet along wherever your required controlled environment. Either it may be mobile apps or desktop or any collaborated real-time work functionality area, you can share it. And make along spreadsheets digital with the camera click. Take a picture or print what the data you require to see as an output or converting into the PDF or image, what the format you require. Yes, you can make it with this Excel spreadsheet data. Connect with your trusted BI platforms for the data source. Yes, really Power BI is also a Microsoft tool where you can work with a large set of data. Yes, and see, manage tasks with Excel, Microsoft 365, assign, manage, complete tasks across your favorite apps, including Excel as well as the Microsoft Office 365. And start learn today, which is a project of Excel when you are learning a perfect way of step-by-step process that will save you time more. And Microsoft Excel and Office 365 subscriptions are having a latest features. Previous versions including 2016, 13, 10 and 7 and 2003, along with iTunes, iPhone, iPod, registered trademarks of Apple and registered US in other countries, Android of the trademarks for the Google, some Excel charts graphics of the 365 subscriptions, share page Excel with the innovative people of a selected, availability of mobile apps, variety of the countries, zone wise. These all the Excel versions are possibly available, and the latest version of Microsoft Excel we are learning in 2021. This version you will learn most of the Excel you will learn, and in upcoming sections Word you will learn and PowerPoint as well. So a step by step how to apply formula, how to open, how to read, access, all the things we will teach you. I'll show you in the next lecture how to start Excel app from your Windows operating system. I'll catch you there. Thank you.